Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text outline effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and add in your text, and I'm just going to type in the word green. I'm also going to change the font as well to that one maybe. Then I'm just going to choose this for the outline. Actually, maybe let's try something else like this one. Then just adjust your text, right click, create compound clip, go to basics, go to blend mode, and choose the screen or the lighten one. If your outline is in a black outline, you are just going to choose the darken mode for it. And that is basically it. Super simple. You can go to animations and add in an animation for it as well if you'd like to. Yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!